So the problem is that the heat has been on for the past couple of days, but the temperature has not been able to rise above 69 degrees. And I know that there's a problem because that's not the way the heat usually works. So this guy, I adjust the heat, I keep sending it up, and I set it to 75 or 76. We're at 77 now, 76. And I put it on hold to make sure that I hold that temperature. And I hear the heat kick on. I hear it light, but then after a few seconds, the power light goes off and that flame goes away. So it's 2 steps when you turn the heat on from that thermostat. You hear it turn on and you will see a dim little light, and then you see that flame kick on and go to those 2 poles that are inside of there that light up, and that's where your heat is generated from. So inside of there is a little ceramic piece that goes up behind that flamethrower, and when that's not clean or has residue on it, it causes it to spark but not to hold the flame. So I'm gonna go in there and just clean that ceramic stem, put it back in, and see if that solves the problem. Okay, so because the furnace is lighting but not staying lit, I think I have to clean this guy right here. So I just disconnected it from the flame, and I'm gonna take a dollar bill. Try not to get my skin on it. Take a dollar bill and just using a dollar bill, try and get all of that grime and soot off of there. Take a look at it. Put the dollar bill on the front. See if that gets it a little bit cleaner. Again, trying not to touch it with my fingers. So instead of replacing it, I'm going to clean it. I think I have it. It's just about clean. Now I'm just going to take that and reconnect it back over in here and re-screw it. I need to screw first. My nails are a little bit of a problem. All the screws look exactly alike. That's what I'm just trying to confirm. Put the right screw. They all alike. So I'm gonna take that screw and reconnect it in there and put that back. Alright, so I reconnected it after cleaning it. And then I think the problem is fixed. That flame is staying on, and before it was turning off after a few seconds, and it's staying on. So I've finished it, I've reinstalled it, I put the front back on, and I turned the heat on. And it's been about 5 minutes since the heat has kicked on, and that flame is still in there. So I would deem that the problem is solved. So now I'm just going to watch the temperature to see if the temperature increases, and then I'll know that the problem is solved. So it looks like right now I have it set on 73. I can feel the heat blowing, and the fact that it's still on tells me that I've solved the problem. Yeah. But we'll see